Om Sai Ram, this is Venkatpasasa.com. How many of you remember the first time you went to a Sai Baba temple, the first experience Baba gave you, and how you actually became a Sai devotee? If you remember that, please send it out to me. And because this is Sai devotee's experience is about how she came all the way from Canada, and one of her friend in Canada has just told her, when you go to Mumbai, there is a meditation center somewhere near Kolaba, so go there. But whenever she's trying to find that address, locate that place, instead of that meditation center or something, she came across Baba's photograph and idol, and she was surprised. She knows she was able to understand that she's looking at this photograph and idol wherever she goes, but she don't know who he is. Imagine how beautiful it is. But one fine day, her host told her, and it was a Thursday. He was like, they were in the car, and she said, "Today is Thursday, and we have come near a Sai Baba temple in a particular place in Mumbai." And he said, "I will get into the Sai Baba temple and take darshan of Baba." And he has requested her, "Why don't you also join?" And they went into the temple, and here is the miracle. A devotee, a lady and a daughter who never know who is Sai Baba is already in Sai Baba temple on a beautiful Thursday. And this man introduced them to another man, a devotee in the temple, and learning that they are from Canada, he has handed over them a beautiful life of Sai Baba, which is Sai Sacharita book. And he has said, from now on, whatever you need, you ask Baba, Baba will take care of you. They left, and this very same night they had a flight back to Canada. They were in the Mumbai airport. You know how busy is Mumbai airport, and they were in their checking in process, everything. And unfortunately, the daughter loses her passport. The passport is lost within few minutes. You have to take your flight. How you will feel? Have you ever felt that panic when you will be in panic when you are taking international flight? Taking stuff or making sure the everything is there. Imagine if you lose your passport just before the international flight is about to take off. Surprisingly, the airline also said, okay, we will do an announcement in the airport. They were sitting in a corner wondering what to do. This daughter said, "Mom, you remember the man in the temple? He said, whenever you need some help, henceforth you ask Baba, Baba will give you." They immediately worshipped Baba. "Baba, please return the passport," as if Baba stole it. And here comes the miracle. Immediately, within no seconds, within no time, someone, a old man came and gave the passport to this daughter. And they were really astonished and surprised by this experience. And this lady goes on to tell her first experience in Sirdi 2 years later. I will read on this beautiful experience for you. Hope you will really enjoy it, guys. It's just a very simple and humble experience. You are going to like it. The name of the article is "A Daughter Lost Her Passport Minutes Before Flight and Sai Baba Miraculously Got It Back." I made this poster because I love the words the devotee expressed. Your heart will overflow with love and gratitude by the experiences Sai blesses you with. So here's the devotee's mail. I'm going to read it out for you. Here is a devotee's experience shared by Hila from Canada. I was a devotee from Toronto who wishes to remain anonymous while sharing my experiences which are long overdue, but I never left her. I told her, "You should please tell your first name," and she told it's Hila. I and my daughter some years ago visited Mumbai. During my stay, I was told by my meditation teacher in Toronto to visit a certain prayer group in Mumbai. She said it was near the Strand Cinema area in Kolaba, but could not give me exact address. Here, in this case, I think her meditation teacher is certainly a good person. I am only against people who are acting as if they are false gurus. If someone teaches you meditation and yoga, fine, accept it. But don't go behind someone accepting them as a guru. These modern people. Guru should be ancient, should be antaryami, someone who is going to live in your own heart. Okay, I will read on. I went to different parts of that area and made inquiries about the prayer place, but each time I was directed to a place where there was a picture or idol of Sai Baba. I was familiar with his image, as I also saw it in many taxis and other places, but didn't know who he was. So wherever she is going in search of this particular address, this meditation center, they were only directed to you know, they only came across Baba's idol and picture wherever they go. Of course, Baba rules Mumbai. Wherever you go Mumbai, you go in Mumbai, you will only see Baba. When I was in Mumbai in 2008, 2009, the moment I say I serve Baba, you know how much those people respect me and love me. I wrote a separate article that Sai rules Mumbai. You search in Google for Sai. Sai is the king of Mumbai. Sai rules Mumbai. I'm telling you. Baba is the king of Mumbai. I love to say this. Okay, I will read on. On the day before we were to return back, my host was dropping us to a friend's place. And on the way, he said, today is Thursday. So if you don't mind, I will stop for a few minutes to take darshan of Sai Baba. Why don't you also come and take his darshan and blessings? I believe this is the Baba temple she's speaking about, because I got this photograph from the internet. We stopped at the Forget Street Sai Baba shrine, went in, took darshan and placed our head on Baba's feet. And next comes the miracle. This is a miracle. You know, do you think miracle is something wherein Baba comes in moon and sets honey and vibhuti? No. See, what I'm going to tell you in this experience is the miracle. There was a man there who approached us, and my host told him we were visiting from Canada. So he gave us prasad and a copy of Sai Satcharita and a salt, and told us henceforth, whenever we are in need, we should turn to Sai Baba. You know, what is the miracle here? Baba is not shedding vibhuti, Baba is not shedding honey. They didn't see Baba in the moon. The words one devotee is told to this lady is the miracle here. Henceforth, whenever we are in need, we should turn to Sai Baba. That is a miracle here. We thanked him and left. That night we were at the airport for departure, and while checking in, we were sent back and forth from counter to baggage, screening, etc. And during the process, my daughter's passport was misplaced. So the same night they went in the temple. They go to the temple. Someone gave them Baba's book and told them, remember Baba when you need. They go to airport in the night. They lose their passport. Daughter's passport is lost. They are literally shocked. Just few minutes for the flight. Okay, we searched everywhere with no luck. We started panicking. Then the airline staff told us he will ask authorities to make an announcement about the missing passport. So we just went and sat down near the counter waiting for announcement. Then my daughter said, Mom, remember what the man said to us? Let's ask Sai Baba to return the passport, as if Baba told it. We both smiled and said, Baba, please return the passport. Within seconds before the announcement could be made, an elderly gentleman walked up to my daughter, smiled at her, and handed over her passport. She took it, and both of us stared at each other. I feel like crying when I read this, because this is not just the passport. In this experience, it's just the passport. Do you know for how many people Baba has returned the life? Do you know how many people Baba has blessed with good health? How many people Baba has blessed with good career? You just ask him and have patience. Baba will give you what you want. The airport was crowded, and when we looked up again, the old man was nowhere to be found. That was my beautiful introduction to sweet saint of Shirdi and his miraculous and exceptional blessings. On the journey back to Canada, I took out the Sai Satcharita, which was in my handbag, and read it from cover to cover. Same night, the same flight, she read Baba's book. Trip to Shirdi. Sai has been part of my daily life ever since, and longing to visit him in Shirdi grew fiercely. The trip to Shirdi happened 2 years later. I took a nice box of Vedas to have blessed and distributed. My friend arranged overnight stay and evening aarti, VIP darshan. I was excited. The temple complex was as usual crowded, and I was overcome with emotion that I was in complete daze during the few moments of darshan, and it happened so quickly, and we were pushed in and pushed out in literally seconds. I came out and distributed the sweets. Then I collected my thoughts and said, Baba, I was wanting this for 2 years and waited so long, and you brought me all the way here and did not even give me a chance to get a proper darshan or pray in your presence. Just then, we were walking to Dwarka Mai, and after Aarti, the Pandits were just taking the Aarti to the Duni, passed right before me, so I could take worship of holy fire. This pleased me immensely. Next morning, I planned to go for regular morning Aarti, but woke up late and thought I will go to Dwarka Mai and take Baba's darshan from outside Samadhi Mandir as the taxi was leaving at 1 p.m. So you understood what happened in Shirdi. After 2 years, he came all the way from Canada to have darshan of Baba in Shirdi. It was so crowded in the Samadhi Mandir. She could not see Baba for more than 10 to 20 seconds. So she came out, distributed the prayers, everything, but she was worried, Baba, I cannot see you peacefully. How can you see you peacefully? Nobody can see Baba peacefully because so many of us are going to Baba and having darshan in Samadhi Mandir. So it is not an easy task to have darshan in Samadhi Mandir for more than 10 seconds. But just when she was getting worried, someone the pujari, he was taking the arati, towards the Dwarka Mai, and she was got the opportunity to take that for the touch that holy fire and feel blessed. So at least the next day she thought she will go and visit, have a good darshan in Samadhi Mandir, but she was very tired. When I got into the scooter Sati, the driver said, the driver again is a good messenger of Baba, I think. You are very lucky today. I have just returned from Mandir after Aarti and there is no rush at all, which is very, very rare. So the driver said, there is no rush today. So before we leave Shirdi, you have all the time to go and have darshan in the Samadhi Mandir. To my surprise, when I went through general public entrance to Samadhi Mandir, there were just 6 people ahead of me. So I went up and peacefully took darshan and remained there peacefully, praying without disturbance for 10 minutes. Then we visited Gurusthan, Chavdi with no rush and spent the rest of the morning peacefully in Dwarka Mai before taking leave and returning to hotel for lunch before leaving. My heart was overwhelming with love and gratitude to my Sai for this wonderful experience. I'm longing for my next visit after this pandemic's over, so I can once again visit Shirdi and thank Sainath for the many blessings me and my family have received. Sainath Maharaj ki jai, Hila. Hope you like this beautiful Leela Leela, friends. One beautiful thing here is, as I said earlier, it is not just the passport that Baba can return. Baba can bring people who are sick to good health. Someone will say they will lose their life in a short span, but they will live longer. Someone who lost their eyesight, they will get decent eyesight. I'm not calling this as a miracle. If by medical terms, if there is a possibility to fix the eyesight, Baba will bless them and direct them to the right doctor. I don't believe in this kind of silly miracles. Baba always does practical miracles. Practically, if you want a good job, ask him, he will give. If you want a good career, if you want to be successful in your business, like how Baba gave back the passport to this girl, Baba will give back what you lost. Even in relationship, if you lost something, if you are in pain, Baba will bless you with happiness and harmony in family. I want to end this possibly because I really love this Leela. This is Venkat, firstasa.com. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram,